Oh yeah, raining again. Let's grill some wings anyway. What do you think? Hey folks, welcome back. I'm Ken Rogers, and we're mostly outdoors. And like I said in my intro, it's raining again. We don't have storms in the area like last time, but we do have rain. It's been raining most of the day. But I got some wings thawed out. Got to get them cooked, and this is a special one for me because I don't know how it's going to turn out. I've never done this recipe on my glaze before. Okay, one of the local restaurants my wife and I visit quite often is called Roosters. It's a Roosters sports bar and grill here locally. And when I get wings there, I typically get their sweet Thai chili glaze for my wings. And while I've had it several times, I've never made it and didn't have a recipe. So I went out on Pinterest and just did a search and found several. And the one I decided I'm going to do is from Genius Kitchen. It's chicken wings with Thai sweet hot chili glaze. It's about as close, I think, as I'm gonna get to Roosters, and we're gonna whip it up and see what happens out here. Let's get started. Okay, guys. Normally, I have a lot of things going on at once. I'm pre-lit my fire outside before I even start prepping everything. But this time, with the weather, I'm gonna prep everything and go light the fire, just because I am an old retired firefighter and I believe in a little safety, and I don't necessarily trust 100% where I've got this grill sitting, so I want to be out there with it when it lights. So let's get going here. I got my wings all prepped, and I actually did separate the flats from the drums this time. I normally leave them together and take off only the tips, so hey, I feel good today. So I'm gonna spray this up with just some Pam Original Cooking Spray. Put a light coat on them. And we'll follow it up with just my salt, pepper, garlic. We'll turn these over and repeat the same process. Get these out of the way and let's prep some sauce. Okay, for our glaze, I'm actually making a little bit more than the recipe calls for, just because I'm not convinced yet that it's enough. Might be fine, but you know me. I'm not going to put the ingredients in the comments. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to the Genius Kitchen's Pinterest page and their food blog, and I encourage you to go to this page. There's some great stuff going on there. So when you get there, tell them Ken Rogers sent you. I'm gonna do a full ½ cup of this sweet chili sauce. ¼ cup of the soy sauce. Here's where I get a little scared, a little nervous. This sriracha sauce, I don't want to go too hot, so in the ratios I'm doing it here, it'll be 2 tablespoons of sriracha. I'm gonna go 1 and taste it, and if we need to, we'll add a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. 4 teaspoons of dark sesame oil. Smells good already. And we're going to grate about 3 or so tablespoons, or teaspoons rather, of fresh ginger. I'm going to be very approximate on that. It is smelling good, guys. Alright, give this a mix. We're going to set it off to the side. We're We're gonna go get this fire going and get some wings a grilling. Get back to you outside. Wait, I want to taste this. Yeah, that's that is sweet Thai chili sauce. Glad I didn't go any more with that than with the sriracha. All right, we got fire. I'm just going with the standard 50-50 offset cook. All right, it is showtime. I'm actually going to put these on indirect just for a bit. I will put them over the hot fire to char up that skin. This isn't going to take very long. I want to cook a little indirect just to make sure that meat gets good and cooked. Then I'm going to put a little bit of smoke. And I've been debating on the smoke. I had almost decided to just do charcoal only. I think I'm going to do a little one stick only of mesquite wood, just to get a little smoke flavor in there. One piece of mesquite wood. Just cover it up. Okay, it is time to start cooking this stuff. Got some smoke. Get it over some direct heat. We're just gonna leave the lid off for a while. Do some grilling. Gotta watch it close now because that is hot. Starting to look really good, ain't it? Alright, just to warm this up a bit, I'm gonna bring this sweet Thai chili glaze and just set it over here and get it warmed up some. Lost one to the cause. Looking good, my friends. Looking good. Alright, guys. We're going to cover these up again. Cover this, let it set for a minute. I'm gonna turn them, glaze them again, and get ready to eat. All right, let's get these inside. And do what we're supposed to do with them, eat them up. Set this back on here, heat that up. We might drizzle that some more once we get inside. Get this one last little base, guys. Can't tell you the smell that's happening right here. Let's grab a little drum here, guys. Look at that. All right, give this a go. You know, I'm not gonna put this at Rooster's level. Got that flavor, that sweet Thai flavor. A little bit more heat than Rooster's. But this is better, guys. This has got that mesquite wood. It's grilled over charcoal. You can't beat that. One more bite. If anything, I could have pulled it off of the fire a little sooner, a little drier, but still not bad. Good. Folks, thanks so much. Tell you what, this was awfully good tonight, and I thank you for being here with me. But be sure, check down below. I'm going to put a link. I'm not going to put a recipe because I want you to go to the webpage of Genius Kitchen. Great recipe. Go tell them I sent you. And check them out, guys. This is a great recipe. Try it on your grill. Got a little bit more, got a little kick to it. I'm glad I didn't go the full amount on the sriracha because I can't handle too hot. But this is perfect in my opinion. So thanks so much, guys. God love you. We will see you on the next cook.